Hello guys, in this video we are going to show you how to replace heater on a Samsung washing machine Add Wash 2 doors. It's a Samsung inverter motor washing machine with the 2 doors Add Wash. So if you forgot something to add, you can add. First thing first, you have to unplug the washing machine. Make sure the washing machine is off. Then you have to unscrew the back panel of the washing machine. As you can see, it's got a few screws. You have to remove them screws one by one. Once the screws are off, you are going to see that it's got a pulley at the back and it's got a few wires. As you can see, the screws are off now. You have to lift up and slide it down and it will be out. After that, you can see that is your heating element. It's got 3 wires there. You have to remove the wires. Before you do that, you got 1 nut. You have to unscrew that. Make sure don't unscrew all the way to the end. Once that thing is unscrewed a little, get a pliers or a screwdriver, pull the heating element out. The heating element is out. As you can see, this thing is completely dead. It's burnt out. You have to use the new heating element. Make sure do not use this one again. You have to throw it in the bin. That is a new heating element. You have to insert it in. Make sure you can use the same old NTC sensor because 9 out of 10 times they are perfectly fine. Insert the heating element in. You always have to turn the pulley from the back just to make sure that the heating element is not touching the actual drum. Once that thing is sitting perfectly fine on its location, you then have to start tightening up the nut. Just make sure don't tighten it up too much, because sometimes when you tighten it up too much, when it fills up with the water, we have noticed that heaters, they just come out of the actual drum and then the whole kitchen or wherever you're using the washing machine, it will be flooded. So just make sure that you tie it up not too much. Once the heater is being tightened up, after that what you have to do is you have to put the wires back on. The best way to remember which wire will go where is you always take photos. These wires are not a lot, so you will just find out the NTC sensor will go to the NTC sensor, and the heater wires will go to the heater, and the earthing wire will go towards the earthing. Again, you turn the pulley and to check that it's not touching anywhere. After that, you just put the back panel back on. Once the back panel is on, you just have to make sure that you're putting the back panel correctly and properly, so it will be easier for you to put the screws back on. That thing is a little bit out. Now it's back to normal. Now you have to put the screws on. Once the screws are on, you have a washing machine with a brand new heating element, which is going to last you for another few years if it's a genuine part. If you want to buy a genuine part, you can leave a message in the comment and we are going to tell you where you can get a genuine part for a lot cheaper, because there are many places they are selling genuine parts but they are quite expensive. As you can see, everything is back on now. You put the plug back on. Once you put the plug back on, what you will have to do is that you have to check the washing machine if it's all okay. You turn the washing machine on. Sometimes you just put it on spin to see if it's not touching the actual drum. If it's actually touching the drum, it's going to make some sort of weird noise. If it's not making the noise, then all is good. and your washing machine is ready to be used. If you guys like this video, please make sure you like, share it, subscribe the channel, and if you have any questions, we are more than happy to answer them. You can leave in the comment section and we are going to get back to you. Thank you for watching this video.